Nagsimula yan sa trolls na Commodore Tariela should be held responsible. It will only be the Department of Foreign Affairs should have the responsibility to handle this kind of issues. And then from the trolls, ginaya na rin itong linyahan na to ng embassy, Chinese embassy.
Yeah.
Sabi ng Chinese embassy, kaya lang kami nagkakaganito dahil si Jay Tariela smearing the Chinese government, a lot of misinformation, blah, blah, blah. And then after the Chinese embassy said this, it was also taken by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs by China, na dapat it will be handled diplomatically by the Foreign Affairs. When was the last time that we only allowed the Department of Foreign Affairs to handle the issue of the West Philippines? We can all remember na it was during the time of the previous administration, former President Duterte. And that was also the time na ang ating mga kababayan Pilipino, mas limited ang information na naririnig nila pagdating sa West Philippines. That's why you can hear that the DBS call saying na, buti pa nung panahon ni Tatay Digong, walang masyadong insidente, kumpara ngayon, maraming insidente. It's all because after this administration, President Marcos recognizes that we should be transparent about the incidents that are happening in the West Philippines Sea, so that ordinary Filipino people would know